Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a half swipe on Instagram. This trick lets you preview a message without fully opening it. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Instagram app and head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon on the top right corner. Now scroll through your messages and find the conversation you want to preview. This could be any message that you haven't opened yet. Here's the trick. Gently press the message and slowly swipe it to the right. Don't swipe it all the way, just enough to see the messages, and you will be able to read the part of the message without making it as seen. If you want to keep the message unread, simply release your finger without completing the swipes. This way the sender won't know you have peeked at the message. There's a quick tip. Remember to use this trick with caution. It's handy for sneaky peeks, but don't rely on it too much. It might not work with every message update. And that's how you do a half swipe on Instagram. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram hacks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.